Time passes quickly, and recollection blur. Individuals change, and new kingships. Individuals change, and new kindships are made. Just the genuine remain ever lastingly. Just genuine remain everlastingly next to us. In the end, the failure. In the end, the failure and agony, and agony will die dawn, will die dawn. Everything really revolves. Everything really revolves around the excursion, around the excursion, and what still can't seem to come. What still can't seem to come. Life is what you think. Life is what you think about it. You have become you. You have become you. Life is too short. Life is too short to even think about clutching, about clutching laments. Absolution is key. Despite the fact that you might very well will always remember. Appreciate the great and eliminate the terrible. Appreciate the great and eliminate the terrible. Certain individuals don't understand till it gone. They have had. Continuing on is a lifestyle. Continuing on is a lifestyle. There will continuously be obstructions, agony and conflict. You should accept that you are sufficiently able to battle. You know. You want to trust in yourself. You want to trust yourself to make the wise decision. Continuously accomplish for you regardless of what you do. Since in the end, the one in particular who has your back is you. Never be reluctant to stand firm. Furthermore, forever, long, some assistance, a tiny amount makes an enormous difference. everything necessary, everything necessary is our grind to light up somebody's day. Your opportunity to live is presently. Your opportunity to live presently. So the thing would you say? So the thing would you say? You are sitting tight for. You are sitting tight for. The world is yours for the taking. The world is yours for the taking. Thus significantly more. Thus significantly more. Waste potential. Potential. Outcomes are always available to you. The opportunity to carry on with one more day is life brilliant proposition. Life's brilliant proposition. Never let anybody destroy you. Never let anybody destroy you. Also, never let anybody take your sparkle, take your sparkle and make you call and make you call. So will you sit in the shadows? So will you sit in the shadows and let murkiness win once more. Win once more. Or on the other hand, will you abscond and make the light your companion. Here's your opportunity. So how will you respond? So how will you respond? You have the sins. You have the sins. I trust in you. The reason for our lives, the reason for our lives is to be content. Life happens when you are occupied. Life happens when you are occupied with making different arrangements. Get going, living, or get going. Biting dust. Get going, living, or get going. Biting dust. You just live once. You just live once. Yet assuming you get things done well. Once is sufficient. Once is sufficient. A large of life is disappointments. Are individuals who did not understand that they were so near progress. That they were so near progress when they surrendered. When they surrendered to carry on with a cheerful life. on with a cheerful life to carry on with a cheerful life. Attach it to an objective. Attach it to an objective, not to individuals, not to individuals or things. Never let the anxiety never let the anxiety toward striking out toward striking out hold you back hold you back from playing game from playing game not how long not how long yet the way in which well you have lived in the most compelling thing. Lived is the most compelling thing. Assuming life world unsurprising. Life was surprising. It would fail to be life. It would fail to be life and without never. Thanks for watching.